Today, we're delving into the world of smartphones, and we've got a real treat for you, the OnePlus 12 Pro. This cutting-edge device is making waves in the tech world, and we're here to uncover all the incredible features and specs that make it stand out. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of the OnePlus 12 Pro. Design. OnePlus has always been known for its sleek and stylish designs, and the OnePlus 12 Pro is no exception. It's available in various colors, including a sleek black option that exudes sophistication. With dimensions of 162.8mm in height, 75.5mm in width, and a slim 8.4mm thickness, it's a comfortable fit in your hand, making it a pleasure to hold and use. The device weighs in at 188 g, striking a balance between substantial feel and easy portability. Display. The OnePlus 12 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch display with a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels. The pixel density of 526 ppi ensures crisp and vibrant visuals, making it a visual treat for multimedia enthusiasts. This display utilizes LTPO Fluid 2 AMOLED technology, ensuring rich and accurate colors. It's also equipped with multi-touch support, making navigation a breeze. Performance. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 chipset. This device is all about speed and efficiency, featuring an octa-core CPU, consisting of 1 by 3.0 GHz Cryo 585, 3 by 2.42 GHz Cryo 585, and 4 by 1.8 GHz Cryo 585 cores. The Adreno 660 GPU handles graphics with finesse, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. It's backed by 8 GB of RAM, providing the necessary muscle for multitasking and running demanding applications. Storage. When it comes to storage, the OnePlus 12 Pro offers ample internal storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB. It's more than enough to store your apps, games, photos, and videos. While it doesn't support external storage, the internal storage should cater to most users' needs. Whether it's your extensive phone book, messaging history, or multimedia collection, the OnePlus 12 Pro has you covered. Camera. OnePlus has stepped up its camera game with the 12 Pro. The device features Hasselblad color calibration, dual LED flash, HDR, and panorama modes. On the front, there's a 32MP camera for crisp selfies and video calls. The primary camera setup is a standout feature, comprising a 48MP wide lens, an 8MP telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. The device can record videos in stunning quality, including 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 30/60/120 fps, and 1080p at 30/60/240 fps. With features like Auto HDR and Euro EIS, you're sure to capture stunning moments with clarity. Multimedia. The OnePlus 12 Pro covers all your multimedia needs. It includes an audio jack for your headphones and supports various audio and video formats. If you're a gamer, you'll appreciate the device's gaming capabilities. The inclusion of speakers ensures that your gaming and multimedia experiences are immersive and engaging. Additionally, FM radio is a handy feature for those who love to tune in to their favorite stations. Battery. Powering all these incredible features is a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery. It ensures long-lasting performance, and when it's time to recharge, the fast charging feature will get you back up to speed in no time. Connectivity. In terms of connectivity, the OnePlus 12 Pro offers the latest Bluetooth 5.2, providing high-quality audio support. It's equipped with a USB Type-C 3.1 port for fast data transfer and charging. With Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6 and support for 5G, you'll experience lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless connectivity. Network support. The device supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G networks, ensuring that you stay connected no matter where you are. Whether you need to make calls, browse the web, or stream content, the OnePlus 12 Pro has you covered. Additional features. The OnePlus 12 Pro doesn't stop at the basics. It includes handy features like face unlock and an under-display fingerprint sensor for enhanced security. The device also comes with a range of sensors, including an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, and color spectrum sensor. These sensors contribute to an advanced user experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 Pro is a powerhouse of a smartphone that brings together stunning design, top-notch performance, and a feature-packed camera system. With a focus on speed, connectivity, and an immersive display, it's sure to meet the demands of tech enthusiasts and smartphone users looking for a premium experience. If you're in the market for a device that combines style, performance, and innovation, the OnePlus 12 Pro is worth considering. It's a testament to OnePlus's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology to its users. That's it for today's review of the OnePlus 12 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.